This is Emmet. He's going on a wild adventure today. Emmet, it's nice for me to finally meet you at short, long levels. Hey, listen, dude. I don't know about any jobs, but if you got one, I'd be glad to give you it. I'm looking for a guy who can pull some big weights around here. Some of the other guys, I'm thinking about firing them. They're very unworth it, if you know what I mean. Yes, thank you, Larry. I was wondering if you can answer me a very important question. Why does Travis and Thomas have faces? I mean, I watch kids shows all the time, and I always wondered that about Chuckington, Thomas, The Little Angel Could, all kinds of strange movies, but I never got the answer to. Do you have the answer to it, please? You know why they have faces? I guess that I do. I've grown watching that when I was a boy, and I can never solve that question. You know, a question like that always confuses me. Why trains have faces, what they do with the faces, how they get faces, I have no idea. But if you let me know the answer to it. Sure, I would be love to know the answer. So why trains have faces? Things really puzzles me, you know.
We got our faces from an alien.
Oh, well, I guess that makes ow. I guess that makes sense. Maybe?
How do you explain talking trains then?
No. Great. Imagine when I was a boy, during the Tankage invasion. Oh yes, those was the days. Everybody had to freak out because you tank engines. The what invasion? How tank engines taking over the world, something to freak out about. I used to ride a tank engine all the time, and they weren't that scary. So why would they take over the world in the first place? There is much you don't know. Let me tell you, Emmet, all of the story. Like that, they took over the universe and destroyed all human civilization, and everything was replaced by Thomas with Murray and Thomas and friends. They on a Broadway show with Joko with no announcement and random things you should not do. Hey, let's get started, everyone. And by the way, Jared, it's the fourth episode. Okay? Okay, let's get started now. First thing you should not do, and I mean not do, is hang around acts. I mean, they are dangerous. I mean, look at this baby. We gotta keep this show PG, people, so let's get the acts out. Next, we got this really nice claws, like Wolverine, but he's from the Marvel, so I really don't care about that much. It's my decision of things you should not do. I'll see you next time, probably in the next episode. I'm leaving now.